Hello children, welcome you all. Now we are going to see chapter 1 rational numbers. In that exercise 1.1 very first sum second subdivision. Let me read out the question first. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7, it is given in the bracket like this, minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. The question given is find using properties. Okay. So now we have to use property to find out this answer. But I am going to use now Bodmer's rule. That is, what is Bodmer's rule? First division, multiplication, addition and then subtraction. This is nothing but the Bodmer's rule. Now what we have to do? First we should check the numbers. In this, is there any division? No. There is only multiplication. Where is multiplication? Here one multiplication sign, here it is one multiplication sign and here one more. So we can shuffle the numbers given like this in this order. So first I am going to do the multiplication. So 3 and 6 can be cancelled by 3 table and this 2 and 14 can be cancelled by 2 table even. So I am taking and writing the terms down. So 2 by 5 times minus 3 by 7 minus this will become 1 1s are is 1, 2 2s are is 4 plus this will become as 1 1s are 1, multiplying the numerator, 1 times 1 is 1, 7 times 5 is 35. Here I didn't do any cancellation, so I have to multiply as such. 2 3s are, that is 2 times minus 3 is minus 6, 5 times 7 is 35. Now bringing down all the values, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 35. See here, this denominator and this denominator is the same value. So I can club these two numbers, that is the first one and the third one. So minus 6 by 35 plus 1 by 35 minus 1 by 4. Now taking these two values alone, that is 35 is common, minus 6 plus 1 minus 1 by 4. What is minus 6 plus 1? That is minus 5 by 35 minus 1 by 4. This will give you the value 35 and 4 is unlike fractions. So we have to take LCM. If I take LCM, the answer is 140. Now I have to cross multiply like this. So the numerator will become minus 20 and minus 35. So adding, both are negative, so I should add, that is minus 55 by 140. I can cancel by 5 table now. So 5 11s are is 55 and 5 28s are is 140. So the final answer will be minus 11 by 28. So one more time I am explaining using the Bodmer's rule. First we have to go for multiplication and then addition and then subtraction. So first I have taken all the multiplication and I am cancelling here and I got the answer this. Then I am taking this plus, that is multiplication after addition should come. So I am adding these two numbers. These two also can be added. Since these denominators are same, I am adding the first number and the last number. So adding it will gives you the value minus 5 by 35. Then only the subtraction. First division is not there. So multiplication I did, then addition I did, then comes the subtraction. So both are negative, so I can add here. Taking the denominator, bringing it to be a common LCM, that is least common multiple is 140 and changing the numerator as well. So the answer will be minus 55 by 140 and cancelling by 5 table will gives you the value minus 11 by 28. Now we are going to see second subdivision using properties. What is that property? It is the distributive property. First we should look at the sum. See here, there it is one subtraction sign and here it is one addition sign. Where the subtraction and the addition sign comes, it means there one term is getting over. Okay, so that we can combine the term like this. See the first term, second term and the third term. In the first and third term, this 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 is common. So I am going to bring this first term and third term nearer. That is 2 by 5 times minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 times 2 by 5. So that this second term will goes to the last one, minus 1 by minus 6 into 3 by 2. Now see to the first and second term, 2 by 5 is common. So I am bringing 2 by 5 common outside. In this first term, minus 3 by 7 is left over. So, minus 3 by 7. In the second term 1 by 14 is left over. So, here it is plus. So, plus should come 1 by 14. Here I can simplify this 3 and 1 time and here 2 times. By simplifying the answer minus 1 by 4. Now, changing the denominators to be as the same. 2 by 5 times 14 will be the LCM. Here 7 times 2. So, here also 2 times. Minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. Plus 1 will become then minus 1 by 4. This I am not doing, I am not going to do anything with this. Now minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 by 14. Then outside it will be 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4. This 5 and this 5 will getting cancelled. So 1 time, and this 2 and 14 will be getting cancelled. So 7 times. So final answer will be minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 14. Now taking the LCM, 7 4s are is 28. Now cross multiply, 4 1s are is minus 4, 7 1s are is minus 7. So the answer will be minus 11 by 28. So using the distributive property, I find out the answer. First term and third term I brought together. In that 2 by 5 is common, so I took and write 2 by 5 outside. In the first term minus 3 by 7 is left over, and in the second term 1 by 14 is left over. And here I did the small calculation, that is cancellation. I did 3 and 6 can be cancelled by 3 table. So this term will become 1 by 4. Now doing the calculation here, this is 7 and 14 unlike fractions. So I made it as a like fraction and I got the answer minus 1 by 7. This minus 1 by 4 will come down as such, and again taking the LCM for that, 7 4 is 28 and cross multiplying like this, 1 4 1s are is 4, that is minus in front, and 7 1 is 7, that is minus 7. Minus 4 and minus 7 both are negative, so I am adding and writing the number, that is minus 11 by 28.